Hey, welcome back. So I am Pragya. I'm a senior software engineer here at Scalar Academy. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, Scalar Academy is an online techversity that aims to upskill the software engineers across the world. So we offer several courses for engineering students, recent graduates, and also experienced working professionals. Right. Since the past few weeks, we have started this initiative under the tag of Ab India Karega Code. In this, we are bringing what we teach in our classrooms to the wider audience of the internet. So we have been doing lectures online on YouTube for free on topics including data structures and algorithms. If you want to see them, you can check out our playlists. Today, we are announcing a free video series on Python programming. This series will start from the coming Monday, which is 7th of September 2020. And the classes will be conducted on YouTube every day from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., the usual timings, right? To register for these classes, please visit the link in the video description. If you register, you will be able to access the lecture notes, the reference material, the practice problems, and you will also be able to participate in a discussion with the other students, right? Now, let me just give you a brief description of what will be in this Python programming course. So this series is aimed at people who are completely new to Python, right? Or even to programming. So you do not have to have any programming or Python programming experience at all. We will be starting from the very, very basic things like data types and lists in Python. Then we will move on to functions and object-oriented programming, right? So initially you will be building a very simple to-do application in your terminal, right? Moving on, we will also dive into Django. And you will be rebuilding this to-do application as a Django website. Finally, you will also deploy this application to Heroku. All right. So this is what the entire Python video series is going to be about. We are going to have around 12 to 13 lectures on this. All right. So once again, Python programming course completely free on YouTube every day from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. starting the coming Monday, right? 7th September 2020. To register once again, visit the link in the video description. Now, if we have any questions, we can take them. So Zenith is asking, is data structures in Python? So yes, Zenith, we will be covering some data structures in Python, things like lists, tuples, dictionaries, collections, module, and things like that. If we have any other questions, we can take them. Link. All right. So Karthik, the link for the registration will be in the video description, right? So you can go over to that link and register for the event. There you will be able to see all the, as when the course starts, you will be able to see the videos of the live lectures, the links to the live lectures, all right? And you will also be able to access the study material. All right. Will multi-threading and sockets be dealt with in Django? So no, Satyarth, this will be a very simple introduction to programming and introduction to Django course, right? So we will introduce Python, we will introduce Django. We will not be covering a lot of things like multi-threading. We will be building a very simple to-do application and we will be building it from end to end. So we will be starting from the basic project. We will be following all the proper project building techniques. So we will have a Git repository. We will actually make up the environment variables. We'll do the configuration, and we will finally deploy it to Heroku. All right. Perfect. YouTube channel name. Well, Kartika, the YouTube channel is Scalar Academy, right? So Scalar Academy is the name of our company, and so is the YouTube channel. Scalar Academy, are we going to cover ML and AI as well? So yes, we have an ML masterclass coming up. The announcement for that was made yesterday, and the ML masterclass is starting from Tuesday next week, right? So for the announcement of that, you can also go back to our YouTube channel and check out the announcement over there. All right. Perfect. Shivam says, what about other data structures like linked lists and trees? So for those of you who are new to this, we have, since the past few weeks, we have been doing this online data structures course for free on YouTube. Right? In that, we started with the basic mathematics, time complexity analysis. We went on to arrays, we went on to other data structures, strings, binary search, sorting, And we are supposed to cover a lot more different things over there. However, we are bringing in this Python course first so that so that a larger audience can get introduced to programming and start making their way through to become a software engineer. All right. Vishnu is saying link not found. All right, Vishnu. So just check back in a few minutes. All right. So I hope that the link will be in the video description. If it is not in the video description right now, do not worry. I mean, soon in like 5 minutes, the link will be in the video description. All right. Sunil is asking, do you provide any training? Yes, Sunil. Sunil, Scalar Academy, it provides training for working professionals, for students, and for recent graduates. Right. So if you just visit www.scalar.com, you will be able to see all the different courses that we provide. Perfect. Sunny is asking, well, for the courses, you only choose selected students. Well, Sunny, that was, we have some initial tests that we deliver, that we have to make sure that a person is registering for the right course. Right? For example, if you are already a working professional who has 5 years of experience, then it does not make sense for you to register for a very simple course. Right? Similarly, if you are just a beginner, then it does not make sense for you to register for a high-level system design and other high-level advanced programming courses. Right? So we have this test just to make sure that the right people register for the right courses. Vivek is saying, how many days will this Python programming class go on for? So once again, this will start on September 7th, which is the coming Monday, and we will have around 12 to 13 lectures. Right? So currently we have 12 lectures planned, but depending on what the speed of the YouTube lecture is, how things go, we might have to extend it or we might finish a little earlier. Right? So 12 is the expected lectures that we currently have. Shivam is asking, are you going to take classes? Yes, Shivam, I personally am going to take the classes. Vishnu is saying, I have attended all the live lectures of data structures and it helped a lot to me. Well, thank you, Vishnu, for that review. I hope that you will also be present in the Python programming course. So I hope to see you there as well. All right, I guess this is all the questions. We have more. So Prabhu Raj says, will the YouTube classes be accessible only if you register? That is not correct, Prabhu Raj. So every day you can go to youtube.com, you can visit our channel, and from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. you can access these classes. Right? You don't really have to register to be able to access these classes. However, registration has its benefits. So first of all, you will be able to access all the additional programming problems that we give you. So you will have some problem sets, practice problem sets that you will be able to access if you register. You will also be able to see all the course material, the live lecture notes. You will also be able to participate in the discussion forums that we have. So all the students from across YouTube, all the mentors, all the instructors, and all the TAs at Scalar Academy will be able to interact with you. Harsh says, when will the ML classes be started? So Harsh, we have a machine learning class coming up on next Tuesday, right? So the announcement for that was also made on YouTube. The announcement for that was made yesterday. So you can once again go and visit the announcement video for the ML class, but it is going to start from Tuesday. So this is separate, right? The Python programming is separate and the ML class is separate. Python programming starts from Monday next week. It is going to be every day, right? For the next 12 days, 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The ML masterclass is on Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Perfect. Rishi is saying, sir, will you continue the DSS series? Yes, Rishi, we will continue the DSS series. However, we wanted to introduce programming, especially Python programming, to a wider audience. So a lot of the times, people want to get into the software engineering field, right? The economy is really not at the best stage right now, and the world could really benefit if more people got introduced to basic programming. Right? So that is what we are aiming for over here, that people can take this free online course, right? People who know nothing about programming can take this free online course and at least get to the level where they can make simple applications and actually deploy those applications, right? So taking a simple to-do application, making it, configuring it, and actually deploying it to a platform like Heroku, that is what we are aiming from, starting from the very basics. Right? So that is why we have paused the DSA content to bring in this Python video series. All right. Perfect. So, Prayakini Divya says that, hey, your lectures were very beneficial. Thank you for that, Divya. I hope to see you in the Python programming course as well. Okay, I guess that is about it for the announcement. So once again, 7th February, the coming Monday, 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The registration link is in the video description. See ya. Bye-bye.